How to make quarterly tax payments in TurboTax. So first you want to sign into your TurboTax account on the website. Now to make quarterly tax payments, you first need to calculate your estimated taxes based on income that isn't subject to withholding. And to enter or review your estimated tax payments, you want to go to the left panel right here and expand the federal category. And from there, you want to go to other tax situations and click on it. Now in the search bar, you want to type W4 and this will appear, W4 and estimated taxes. You can click on start. You can also find it if you go to deductions and credits and then deductions and credits summary. And in here, you want to go to the search and search for estimated tax payments. And then you would click on start next to estimated tax payments. So you basically need to start or revisit to enter the amounts you have paid or plan to pay for each quarter. And TurboTax calculates your estimated payments automatically and provides Form 1040 ES, which is this one here. You can click on the start button for you to print and mail with payments. And keep in mind that quarterly payment deadlines for tax year 2026 are April 15th, June 16th, September 15th, and January 15th of the next year. And if you follow through the process, TurboTax will create 1040 ES payment vouchers. Then you can print the vouchers and pay by mail or pay online through the IRS payment website. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and see you on the next one.